All right, September, another month, new month. It's time for Hubby Box. What's a Hubby Box, you say? Hubby Box, that's when my husband monthly gives me and the dogs something to unwrap. Let's see what it is. Just so you guys know, I love presents. Like, presents are like that's like my love language, aside from coffee, chocolate, and wine. Where was I going with this? Oh yeah, flowers, those two. Anyways, I love presents. Presents are great. This is the monthly Hubby Box. Last month, well, watch that right there. So this month, what do we have? What do you think, girls? Hey, hey. What is it? No, you guys are just gonna play? All right, well, I'm excited. They're like, we're excited too. We're so excited, we're gonna play with each other. Rawr. Geeter, Joy, Geeter, Geeter. Why does the box say Star Wars? It's a treat jar. Oh my word. Okay, you're gonna make her fall down. All right, that's enough. Settle. Hey, hey. Good girls. All right, that's enough. Hey, settle. Knock it off. Knock it off. Good. Yes, good girls. Good. Wookie cookies. Is this so I can put treats? You can't have the wrapping paper, Joy. Is this for me to put the treats in the jar? Aww, I love it. That's so cute. Is that it?
Open it up.
There's still. They're like, wait, where are the cookies? You promised us cookies. We heard the word cookie. I love this. Oh my goodness. What do you think? Oh, yeah. Are you gonna play with it, Hannah? Can I get you to play with it? You gonna play with it? I know you'll play with it. Joy, get it. Get it. Yeah. Yep. Joy Bruce. Oh, she threw it back at me. Those are squishies? Oh, you guys see squishies. And Hannah still doesn't know how to play. All right, let's put that. Okay, that is so cute. Aww. Where are we gonna put it? Where? She's like, it. Oh. What are you guys doing? Whoa, you be careful leaping around like that, girly friend. Hannah's like, just give me the pets, and Joy's like, I'll get the new toy. Give me the new toy. I'll get the new toy. I didn't mean to make you fall down. Right here. Yeah. I should probably take the tag off. Can I have the? Can I? Please give back. All right, out. Out. Hey, yes, good girl, out. You know the out command. Don't act like you don't.
Wee.
Oh my goodness, I probably shouldn't do that like that. You're making me nervous, girlfriend. This is what I mean when I say Hannah doesn't really play with toys. Yeah, good girl. Okay, I'm having so much fun, I forgot we were filming. Peace out. Wait. Next month, there'll be another month. There'll be another Hubby Box. You must like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, you know what? You don't have to do any of that, Jess. But you know what? If you want to see more videos like this one, and you are curious, have to know what crazy crap my husband will come up with next, I mean, you're just gonna have to subscribe and ring the bell. Peace out.